Good afternoon, all. My topic is excellence in quality and specifically on competing for the future, competing against the future, and how we prepare ourselves for the future. And what is future for us as an employer, as an employee, as an individual, in job, in personal life. I'm going to touch upon all those things. And couple of things which many speakers have talked about, like Devendra has talked about in the morning about, are we really bothered about charts going up? We really, as a quality professional, need to see the charts. He talked about the green belt and the black belt through which almost 5% of the people in the organization go through. Remaining 95% people don't even understand, and they says, "Pata nahi kya karte rehte hain yaar ye log? Six Sigma, green belt, black belt." And those 5% green belt and black belt says, बाकी लोग पब्लिक क्या करती है इनको समझ में नहीं आता है. So I'm going to touch upon that also for the remaining 95% what they are supposed to do and how those 5% elite black belts are to be aligned with the rest of the people in the organization. Somebody talked about the democratization of the quality, and Praveen talked about quality of business and business of quality. Mr. Surana has talked about and he rightly said that if you don't realize the value of quality, you will become irrelevant. Especially in the manufacturing industries. Let me move to the next slide. I'm not going to talk about anything which is related to my company or my previous companies. I'm going to talk about which I have experienced in my life working in various companies, various functions, the challenges I have gone through, the success I have seen, the frustration I have noticed. So I worked with great companies like Honda, Philips, Escorts, and Sun Edison. And in the domain knowledge, I got into engine, car making, lighting, LED, renewable energy, been to operations, manufacturing, spent a lot of good time in shop floor, get engaged in union baji and all those stuffs. Moved to corporate life and worked in CEO office too, part of supply chain program, several things, and more frustration than success I have seen. But one thing I understood while working all these functions, these companies, graduated from the good colleges also, the basic fundamentals never change. Wherever industry you work, wherever functions you are in, and whatever level yet you are, basic fundamentals always remain same. And those fundamentals revolve around people and process. That is more important. How do you understand your people and how you engage the right processes to those people and how you ensure the right alignment happens. You have right people but wrong process, right process, wrong people. Or both the things right but not aligned. So it's important that you really need to have right strategy and right execution, right measurement, right monitoring. In manufacturing, the key focus is always on product quality and process quality. My friends who are in manufacturing, especially in automobile, all the automobile professionals, especially on operations side or quality side, generally write one key statement in their CV or LinkedIn profile: champion of process quality and product quality. And people who have not worked in manufacturing always says, as Mr. Surana has said, क्वालिटी वाला करता क्या है यार, उसका रोल ही कुछ नहीं है. It's us who bring the business. It's us in finance who really do the financial engineering to bring the company in a great shape. Both the aspects are right. Both the aspects are right. And this was a challenge to me when I moved out of Honda. Honda is a great company which gives a lot of focus on product quality and process quality. It's a champion in that. But the fact is, in Honda's history, globally, in any country, no one from quality function has become managing director, CEO of Honda. No one has become from quality. That's also a fact. People who have worked in design and engineering and marketing, these two combinations were required to become head of Honda in any country. So when I moved out of Honda to other companies and industry, this was again a challenge to me. Again thinking in the same pattern, product quality, process quality. And one day my chairman called me, यार तुम तो ये हमेशा product quality, process quality की बात करते हो. What about business quality? Let's sit together and talk about HR quality, supply chain quality, sales quality, service quality. Quality is quality. How can I measure you and your team on quality index? How can I measure strategy as a quality? How do you ensure that you are picking up the right strategy? So I tried to put all these thoughts into two next slides, which I created it last day. I was supposed to present tomorrow, and I thought it's prepare myself to prepare tonight. But Mohit asked me to present today. So slightly unstructured, but let's see.